training programs of exercise. What should you advise to your patient? First of all, if he is not doing any exercise at home, don't immediately shift that patient to the exercise. Ask him to do a ask him to pass through a regular or the periodic stages or the periodic sessions of exercises. Say for example, what is the recommended? Recommended is 3 sessions per week. That means within 7 days, you should ask your patient to come to you for 3 days only. In these 3 days, you will not start with a heavy exercise. Why? Because in those heavy exercises where you are going to ask the patient's heart to do a heavy work, in those exercises the chances of trauma or the injuries are more. Again, there is one more side effect or the bad effect is that patient will run away. That means the chances of discontinuation will be more if you will advise heavy exercises to the patient on the first day itself. So what is indicated? 3 settings per week. Up to what extent you will advise the exercise to your patient? That will be 60% of his maximum capacity. Before advising any regular exercise to the patient, you should be aware about what is his maximum effort tolerance. With respect to that only, you will advise him the exercise which will be 60% of his maximum capacity. So heart rate, again the heart rate is the most important thing. We will maintain the heart rate at 60%, 60 to 70%. It is more than enough. So during exercise, cardiovascular, for the training or the improvement in the cardiovascular system, the advisable exercise will be 60 to 70%. As the Ayurvedic text says that it should be Ardha Shakti. I will term it as one and the same. If it is a 60%, it is near about 50%. So it is a Ardha Shakti Vyayam which has to be advised to your patient for the fitness. The modern scientists, those physiotherapists and all those things, they have studied the different improvement parameters of different exercise levels. What they have observed, after the 60%, when they have plotted a graph of it, they came to know after the 60% of exercise, with the increase in intensity of exercise, the plateau phase arrives. That means there is no any significant increase in patient's VO2 max or the maximum effort tolerance after increasing the intensity of exercise up to his 80 or 90% of his maximum effort tolerance. That means after 60%, the patient's improvement will be low, but the stress on the body will be more. So the suggestion is advise 60% of exercise to your patient of his maximum effort tolerance. If his maximum effort tolerance is 100, advise him the exercise of 60% per day at home, or else advise him 3 sessions per week. While training part is going on, 3 sessions per week is also sufficient. But according to our concepts of cardiac rehabilitation, we will advise them per day exercise, at least 5 days per week. 2 days off will do, but 5 days per week is an excellent way of exercising. So 5 days per week is a sufficient exercise, at least for the heart patient, to improve his cardiac fitness. What they have found after effective training to be given to the cardiac patient, they have studied the age group of 60 to 70, and they have given specific training programs to the heart patients, and they have found after 6 months of training program, the patients were improved. Their capacity to do the exercise has improved up to the 12%. It is a significant improvement. As we have seen, with the per decade, the patient loses, or the individual loses its functional capacity by near about 5 to 8%. Irrespective of that, the effect of decade was wiped out. That means the training session given to the patient for 6 months will reduce down the patient's age by near about 10 years. As his functional capacity is regained, his everything will be recovered. The capacity to do the exercise is nothing but the cardiovascular fitness. If you are able to do the exercise, that means your cardiovascular is fit. So what is advisable? It is 5 days per week, duration of the exercise, and the mode of exercise. What you will advise in India and in Europe, the scene is different. in the foreign countries where the climate is not that much supporting, in those cases we can advise indoor exercises. But in the country like India, need not to advise indoor exercise. Our atmosphere is healthy. We can make the use of a sun. Why sun? In a Shaman Chikitsa, Ayurveda has already mentioned Dipan, Pachan, Shuddha Nigrahan, and then Atap Sevan, Vyayam, Marutya Sevan. So we have to use Atap Sevan, Marutya Sevan, Vyayam as a treatment line. Hence, we will advise our patient to go for an exercise outdoor, and that exercise will be as easy as walking or jogging or running or jumping. So that can be of any type. What is expected through that exercise? We expect the maximum heart rate. That means 60 to 80% of heart rate to be achieved by that exercise. Heart rate is the most important thing. What happens with the exercise? In the early phases of exercise, the heart rate goes up. But as you continuously practice of the same thing, so you're doing the same work, to fulfill or to complete that work, the requirement of heart rate will be low in future. That means, say for example, on the day first, if you will start doing exercise, you are walking for 3 kilometers within 30 minutes. To complete this much exercise, your heart rate will be near about 130 or 140. When you will practice the same thing throughout the month, at the end of the month, your heart rate will be 120 instead of 130 after completing 3 kilometers within 30 minutes. What does it indicate? With the training of exercises, the heart rate reduces. Though the quantity of blood required by the periphery is same, as the quantity of exercise is same, the requirement of the blood from the periphery is the same. But heart rate has increased. This thing indicates that the stroke volume of the patient is increased. Again, it indicates the body is ready to uptake the oxygen. The periphery is now helping the heart or the cardiovascular system by extracting more oxygen from the blood or the arteriolar blood supply, and in this way the fitness of the patient will increase. Again, focusing the same thing, that is a heart rate. After doing an exercise session or after completing a training program for the exercises, that might be of a 1 month, 2 month or 3 month or 6 months, what is expected? Your heart rate should be low as compared to the day 1. And this is what the improvement of exercise training sessions for the cardiovascular system.